these problem-solving problems with my students, I like to do a quick debrief at the end of it. So we've got the problem. This is the one about the bike race and Freddie and the other racers. Remember, the first thing we always need to do is try to understand the problem. I think something that would be really helpful here in understanding this problem is if you've seen races, you've seen NASCAR, you've seen track meet races, or that kind of thing. And then it's also the realization that if someone passes someone else, they take that person's place. Okay, so recognizing the races are ordered and how they're ordered, and then passing someone puts you into that place. When I solved this problem, I used manipulatives. You can see that video on my page if you haven't already. A lot of the ways that students chose were to draw a picture. Okay, I like the pictures that show the action and the result. So for this one, we've got, Freddie passing second, and then he ends up in second. You can see in the second row, he's passed by two people, putting him in fourth. I liked the bikes or scooters in this one. Sometimes it looks pretty. Here I've got some, motion with different colored bikes. So there's Freddie and his blue bike. I like this one just because of how big their heads are. But again, it's showing that action. This one was unique in that it showed what happened after Freddie passed, and then also what happened after that, all in one picture. So that was an interesting take on it. And this was probably my favorite one just because it clearly shows in each step what happened. There's Fred in third, he's passing and going into second. Then in figure 2, he's in second. In figure 3, he's passed by two people, now leaving him in fourth. The other common heuristic I heard was relating to a similar problem, or using common sense, or deductive reasoning. Students generally called this same type of approach one of those three heuristics. This was things like Fred passes the guy in second place. What places he in? Now he's in second. Thus, if two people pass him, he's now in fourth. Or F passed second place equals F in second, taking that person's place. F gets passed twice, meaning he's now in fourth. Whenever you're done solving a problem, no matter what kind of problem it is, first, make sure you're right. Okay, can you check your result? Does your result make sense? Can you check how you got there? But then even beyond that, dig a little deeper. Could you get the result a different way? Can you see your solution at a glance? Could you use this result or method on other problems, and have you learned anything new? Okay, it's worth your time to look back and do these things because they can help you put this problem into your toolbox so that you can use it on later problems. Here's some similar problems. When running a race, you pass a person in third place. What place are you in now? When Peter and Bill ran a 100-meter race, Peter won by 5 meters. To give Bill a chance to win, they raced again, but this time Peter started 5 meters behind the starting line. Each man ran the race at the same speed as the first race. What are the results of the second race? And finally, Steve and Lisa have a bag containing the same number of marbles. How many marbles must Steve give Lisa so Lisa will have 10 more marbles than Steve? Okay, so just looking at some other problems like that can help you solidify, give you some more tools in your tool belt to do that problem-solving process.